Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle, the pride jungle. No script, no edit, no filter, no effects, no behind the scene. We are just live. Yeah. Say something. Say something. It's been a while. We used to stream like a vertical videos, but today it is horizontal. What do you mean? You understand? So, we must start explaining no Kinyarwanda France. We're gonna mix. It will depend. Most of the as you can see, ahangaha niba hazi andika muri comment, ndikira muri comment mbwira uti aha ndahazi, I know this place. So tell me why. Ahantu utahazi. So twavuze tuti yatembera agatembera akongera agatembera. So nizere ko muri kunyumva neza, nizere ko sound imeze neza na internet. Ya nizere ko n'amashusho asa neza. I tried my best, but wait, the day will come. This is gonna be more pro. Nizere ko munyumva neza, nanone nkizera ko n'amashusho muyabona neza. Yego turakigendera mu mihanda, narembuze nti reka duhindure video format kugira ngo ahantu ndi hagaragare neza. So kubera ko ngiye kugera mu mujyi, I will be with some people. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. So nizere ko you never miss up. We never miss what's gonna happen. Yego uhari uri mu Rwanda ujye umbwira uti Ikinyarwanda gaceza, ndajya mpita nyivuga vuba. Gukanda like kuri stream ni support ikomeye, and I really appreciate. I love everyone who watches my stream. So kuri vertical format nabonaga ahantu ndi hatagaragara fresh. So muri kumbona gute? Mumbwire ko mbona ibintu ntazo ukuntu biri kugenda. Muri kubona bimeze gute? Mbwira kumbona neza, bimeze neza cyangwa harimo ibibazo? What? No. I don't like this.